Hello there, dear doers. At Stealthy Wood Inc., we sell pieces of furniture of high quality that have some mystery to them as well. The many secret mechanisms hidden in them are built to last, but nothing says it better than a good extended warranty. Therefore, we decided to offer a 10-year extended warranty for our hidden bookcase door system for only $350. That's what a deferred revenue is. A prepayment from a customer making us in debt of a product yet to deliver or service to render. However, with the same logic that we use for our assets in another video, we don't want to record 10 years of service on one date. To get accurate reports, we have to account for the service once we have rendered it, even if our customers paid everything in advance. So to have our revenue recorded correctly, Odoo spreads the amount over multiple entries that are automatically created periodically. So let's check this out in Stealthywood's database. All right, so here I am on my database, specifically on the accounting module. So let's go straight to configuration, settings. And once we're on the settings page, we're going to scroll down to the automated entries section, which we have right here. And we want to be sure we have the deferred revenues management option activated, which I do. If you need to, go ahead and select this option and be sure you click on save before moving forward. All right, now let's go to configuration. And then we're going to go to deferred revenue models and create one. Okay, so let's click on the create button. And the first thing we're going to need to do is add a name, of course. So let's call this extended warranty 10 years. Okay, and then we're going to add some accounts. All right, so the first account is the revenue account. So I'm going to go ahead and add one that I already created. Okay, so I'm just going to add the code here. Okay, and that's the service revenue income. So let's go ahead and pop this open. So we see I added the code, the name, service revenue income, and the type is income. All right, and then I also created a different account as well for the deferred revenue account. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add the code here. Then we're going to check this one out as well. Okay, so I have the code, and then the name is Deferred Revenue Extended Warranty 10 years, and the type here is Current Liabilities. Then we're going to save. We can also add a journal, so I'm going to say Miscellaneous Operations. However, you can always create a journal for your deferred revenue. Okay, and then we're going to go to the right here and change the number of recognitions. Okay, so I'm going to change this from 5 to 10. All right, you can always change this from years to months. In this case, years is good. I'm also going to check this option right here, the parata temporis. Okay, and then we can save. So once we have created this deferred revenue model, we're going to go to configuration, chart of accounts, and we're going to go to one of those accounts that I created. So the deferred revenue extended warranty, 10 years. We're going to edit. Once we do that, we're going to go down to the create deferred revenue section and click on create and validate. And of course, for the deferred revenue model, we're going to add that one that we just created, and then we'll save. Okay, it's looking good. Now, once we've done this, we're going to go ahead and create a new product for the warranty. So let's go to Customers, Products, Create. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a name. So extended warranty, 10 years. Okay, this can be sold. It's a service. We're going to add the sales price, so $350, as I mentioned earlier. All right, and then under the accounting section, we're going to add an income account. Okay, so here we're going to add that account that I created. Okay, and then save. Now we can go ahead, jump to our overview, and create an invoice. So we're going to go to our overview, new invoice. Okay, let's choose our customer. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and add the products. So the first one is the hidden bookcase door, and they also want to purchase the warranty. Okay, that account is added right here. So we're going to save this and validate. Once it's validated, we're then going to go to accounting at the top and scroll down to deferred revenue. Okay, and then we can go ahead and check out this entry that was automatically created by Odoo once we created the invoice, or once we validated the invoice. Okay, and here we're going to see 11 lines, and the first is labeled as parata, or as the parata entry. Okay, because we ticked the parata temporis on the model. Okay, and so with this, the amount for 1 year is separated in two. The first entry is generated according to the deferred revenue starting date with an amount that is proportional to what is left of the current financial year. And the revenue entries will be posted on the revenue date as we have here. We have our revenue, cumulative revenue, and the next period revenue. All that information is right here set up for you. And as you can see, it's super easy to do this with Odoo. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.